The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov on May 2 said Russian forces continue pushing Ukrainian forces out of western part of Artyomovsk-Bakhmut, Donetsk Republic as Russian airborne forces repel Ukrainian army attacks on city flanks. Russian troops destroy up to 60 Ukrainian troops and ammo depot in Kupyansk direction, East Ukraine. Up to 65 Ukrainian soldiers and 2 howitzers destroyed in Krasnoliman direction, DPR. 290 Ukrainian troops and foreign mercenaries destroyed in DPR. Russian air defense systems shoot down 3 Ukrainian aircraft. In total, the armed forces of Ukraine lost 416 jet fighters and 230 helicopters, 3,919 unmanned aerial vehicles, 321 air defense missile systems, 8,938 tanks and other armored combat vehicles. Ukraine also lost 1,095 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,709 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 9,911 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kiev, the armed forces of Ukraine said Russia lost 460 servicemen in a single day. In total, Kremlin lost 191,420 servicemen during the conflict. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky started this Monday and the new week with an hour-long meeting with all levels of government and defense. The head of government, ministers, the office, the commander-in-chief, the heads of the main intelligence directorate and the foreign intelligence service, the head of the security service, and the NSDC secretary delivered reports. The first issue is the consequences of Russian strikes, including missile attacks, Zelensky said. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 433 days. There are still no peace agreements between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.